Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to fix your iPhone mirroring not available. So it's either there are a few reasons why it's not available. The first one is that your iPhone is open. So it will say iPhone is in use. If it's not available, you'll have to turn off your iPhone basically and then reconnect it right here. And you will see it's connecting to my phone and it's successfully connected. So it's just that simple. So another is you will might have to actually restart the whole thing. So you want to actually try to restart the iPhone mirroring process because sometimes it bugs out or sometimes your devices are not compatible for each other or sometimes it is because of your internet connection and Bluetooth connection. So the iPhone mirroring works by using screencast share. Basically, it's reverting vice versa information from your computer to your phone, so you need a stable connection, you need a stable Bluetooth connection, and you must be both compatible for it to work. To fix it, you will just have to restart the whole iPhone mirroring process, and you want to have the settings right here, and then you just have to revoke the access basically, and then restart the whole thing all over again. And it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you fix your iPhone mirroring not available basically here. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.